Hi, are you a medical practitioner? Do you work in any area of the medical field? You know, doctors, nurses, pharmacists, ambulance driver, receptionists, whatever the fuck you do. Do you give your patients fuckery medication? You know, the type of medication that is supposed to heal you, but instead the ailment you are trying to get rid of is a side effect. Is that you? Well, I've got news for you. Fuck your medication. Yeah, I said it. It is about time somebody tell these people who are making all this bullshit medication that is supposed to help you, but instead the sickness you're trying to get rid of is a side effect of the product you're using? Bitch, fuck your medication. Get me from this side. This is my fuck you side. Fuck your medication. Is it just me, right? Or since lately, most of the medications, most of these, I don't even know what to call the shit that they make and say, it is supposed to help you feel better. It will heal your problem, but a side effect of it is that the very problem you are trying to get rid of might be or will be a side effect. What the fuck? I don't get that shit. Fuck your medication. Put a condom on and fuck your medication. Yeah, I said it.
Fuck your medication with a condom, bitch. Gangnam style.
Let me try and understand this. Say for example, I have a problem. I can't shit, so I go to the doctor.
Hey doc, prescribe something for me so that I can take a shit. Release me of my constipation.
Sure, I'll prescribe something for you, but a side effect of the product that I'm going to prescribe is it might make you constipated. What the fuck? Man, fuck your medication. Fuck. That's with like 7 O's and 1 U with a CK. Fuck your medication. What kind of bullshit is this? I have a small dick and I want to take your product so that my dick can get bigger. Your product might make my dick get bigger, but a side effect of your product, of your fucking medication, is that it might shrink my dick. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck your medication. Fuck your medication. Under the counter, over the counter, beside the counter.
Fuck your medication right around the counter.
A full-time no. These people stop the bullshit. How the fuck you gonna make an antidepressant, right? This shit is supposed to make you feel better. You're not supposed to feel depressed anymore after you take this shit. But the side effect, the fucked up side effect, suicide. Suicide, bitch? Suicide? I'm taking your shit to make myself feel better. And if I don't make me want to kill my blood clot self, first of all,
fuck your medication. Yeah.
Fuck your medication. And second of all, how the fuck do you make a drug that make people want to kill themselves? I don't get this shit. I'm thinking about the little monkey them and the little rat them who wanna actually test this shit pan. Just murdering themselves, just killing off themselves. The little hamster them just spin the little wheel and just lie down on the fucking monkey them and try choke themselves with banana skin. The rats I try hang themselves with them tail. All because of your fuckery medication? Fuck your medication. If your medication does not help people, if your medication has the fucking ailment that people are trying to get rid of as a part of the side effect, fuck your medication. That is just some bull piss. And I will not stand here and watch you shits trick people into buying your stinking medication anymore. Fuck your medication. Bitch, I will drink some bush tea. I don't want your medication. You know what? Fuck your labs. Fuck your lab coats. Fuck the chemists, the physicists, the biologists. Fuck your beaker, your Bunsen burners, your Florence flasks. Fuck your wire bush, your tripod. Nigga, fuck your test tube. I was actually learning in bio class. Everything you used to create these bullshit medications to sell to people, fuck them and fuck your medication.
Subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, idiot.